Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to email a diagnostic report from your YOUCANIC scanner. There are two ways that you could go about doing this, either through Diagnostics or through Data Manager. I'm going to show you both ways. First, I'm going to show you how to email a report through the diagnostic route. Connect your scanner to your vehicle. Select Diagnostics, and make sure that your VCI is connected to your scanner. I have my VCI currently plugged into an OBD simulator and it is not connecting to my scanner. To remedy this, I'm going to go to VCI Manager. I'm going to select Bluetooth. And I'm going to wait for my serial number to load in, and we're going to select that and pair. If you're having issues with your VCI not connecting to your scanner, it may indicate that your VCI adapter is faulty and you might want to consider getting a new one. We're going to next go to Diagnostic, and since I'm connected to an OBD simulator, I'm going to select the demo. Diagnosis, Quick Scan. Once your scanner has finished scanning, you're going to select Save, and then you're going to hit Save in Email. The other way to email a diagnostic report is to go into Data Manager, select Report, and then select one of the saved reports on the list. You're going to select PDF, and you're going to select Email. Now, same deal here. The email address that is registered to your scanner will appear first. If you wish to email this diagnostic report to another email address, you're going to have to enter it here. Select Yes, and you're done. If the email sent successfully, you will see an email sent successfully pop up. If it does not, another error message will appear, something along the lines of failed to upload or upload unsuccessful. If you see the upload unsuccessful message pop up on your screen, just try sending the email again, or try sending the report to a different email. If you run into trouble at all during this process, feel free to email us at support@youcanic.com. We are always happy to help.